Hey, this is Marco and I'm going to tell you all the new features in iOS 18 you need to know. So, first one is if you long hold to get the wiggling, you can drag one app and then with the other, so have one app and then you can just step and then you can move all of them together, boom, as you can see. So this is the first feature. You can customize it to your likes. Once again, long hold on one app, just tap on others and boom, put them anywhere you want. Then it doesn't have to be in order that Apple told you. You can have them in any order that you basically want. It's same as on a MacBook. I mean, it still keeps like straight lines, but you're not fixed that they need to be up here or wherever. So you can play around with that. If you click on edit at the top left, customize, you can make them larger, smaller. So if you make them larger, it loses its name. If you make them smaller, it has the name. You can have them tinted, have it change color based to your likings. You can have it light, always dark, or you can have it automatic. The new things is the control center. If I pull it down, you have multiple things that you can do here. So if you want to add something, top left on the plus icon, add the control, and then you can add any control you want. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. So as the case with this one, smaller, bigger. If you just want to add more of these, go to the final one and just scroll down and you will see a blank one where you can add more stuff. Next is if you want to change, so as you can see I have torch and calculator. If you want to change that, just long hold, customize, lock screen, and you can press the minus icon and add any other app you want. So in this case, let's say alarm or calculator. You can do the same for the left one. Second is the new phone app. It has changed quite dramatically from what it used to be, but it looks like this. If you want to reorder things, just scroll all the way to the bottom, click on customize and reorder, and you can move them or enable them from here. If I go to messages, you can add a emoji or a specific emoji to a message. You can schedule a text, so I type in something, click on the plus, send later. The next one is you can hide or unhide your apps or require Face ID. Hide, if you hide them, you go to app library and they're going to be here under hidden. So yeah, just like require Face ID, and then it's going to ask you require or require and hide. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.